Hey everybody, I'm Jiles and welcome back to JDM World. Here at JDM World, we have super exciting news that we're going to reveal in this video. So come back after the break and I'm going to tell you all about it. As you guys know, I'm a big home theater buff. And I'm also getting into 2-channel audio. And as you've watched my videos over the last year, you've seen me learn and build out my home theater environment. I've reviewed products, I've shown you how to do Atmos installs, lots of other videos that hopefully have been, a big benefit to the folks that view. Well, it's time to take things to the next level. And I was talking to some of my buddies over at Stark Sound, and this might not be a company that you're very familiar with, but they make a whole array of really high-end, well, everything from mid-tier really through high-end speaker equipment that's designed not only for home theater, meaning multi-channel audio, but also for a really good 2-channel experience. Anyway, I was talking to the guys and, we were talking through what I might do to my theater to bring it up to the next level. And I had been out at their shop in California and I saw their demo theater and it's just amazing. I mean, it sounds wonderful. If you guys have a chance, you should go check this out. Well, we kept talking and talking a little bit more and we hatched the idea of building a YouTube project together. So JDM World in conjunction with Stark Sound to really rebuild my theater using their equipment to show what can be done in a typical home environment. So to that end, we're going to start a new project that has been dubbed Jiles' Journey into Immersive Sound. So this is really building an environment here in my home theater by replacing my amplification and speakers with a notch up of gear, really a much more sophisticated and higher end set of equipment that will facilitate both multi-channel audio, which is home theater as well, and 2-channel listening. In the next video, we'll talk through what that equipment looks like, and I'll do a complete tour of my current environment, and then over a set of videos, you'll be able to see unboxings, you'll be able to see descriptions of the equipment, installation. We'll also have people come in and give their opinions alongside mine of the new equipment so that you get more of an unbiased point of view. The project is going to be announced at CEDIA this year in Denver. So if you guys happen to be there, I would love for you to drop by the Stark Sound booth at CEDIA and say hi to me and to the guys. To talk a little bit about Stark Sound's been in business for 10 years now, and their products are available all across the world. Their main market is Asia, and they're slowly moving into markets here in the US. If you click on the link up here at the left, it'll take you to a video where I visited their facility in California. You'll get to meet some of the guys, and you can also see a bit of their gear in their showroom. I'm really excited to get started on this project with the Stark Sound guys, and hopefully you'll come along on Jiles' journey into immersive sound as we rebuild this entire theater from the ground up, and you get to see how to do everything soup to nuts. If you've enjoyed this, please subscribe and join us on the trip.